the future of Lexus behind you. Tell me a little bit about the design, and today I guess concepts become reality at some point.
So today it is a concept. It's really kind of the latest example of where we feel Lexus is heading. Most recent example from a production vehicle would be the IS, the RC that just launched this month, and then the NX next month. So the LFC2 behind me is purely a concept today. I think it actually gave our designers the opportunity to take something off of a computer and put it into a real vehicle like this. So there could be elements of this car that turn into production, but those decisions have been made today. Do you like it though that way?
The paint is incredible. I don't know what you call it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And I know there's so much R&D that goes into these that if they don't become reality, it would be a crime, a terrible waste. Tell me, Lexus doing well, the stock market at record highs, people have money, they're buying Lexuses.
It's been a great year for the industry. The luxury industry has performed even a little bit better than the general market, and Lexus, fortunately, our dealers are outperforming the luxury industry. So it's been a wonderful year, exceeding plan, and our expectation is that it will follow that same pattern next year as well. So great today and should be even better next year.
Well, the RX started off the kind of mid-size SUV market. Everybody else copied and built their RXs. And here at the auto show, we've seen even more in that small SUV category.
Right, so you've hit on the quickest growing segment in the luxury industry, that small near luxury SUV. For us to introduce NX at this time with both the turbo, our first turbo, as well as the hybrid, we feel like we're quite fortunate to be in the market at this time with that vehicle. From a sales volume standpoint, while we're just launching it in December, we'll sell about 3,000 in December, and then the target for next year is about 40,000 NXs for the calendar year.
So the NX 200 is now on sale, and
so the NX will go on sale December 1st. Yeah.
So it's coming on the market, so you expect it to do pretty well then?
We do. We absolutely expect it to. Strong segment, and we have tremendous faith in our dealers, and of course we have a lot of customers that may have considered RX, but may also now consider NX. So it should be a wonderful addition to our lineup.
And your demographic is skewing a bit younger. I mean, you've got the IS and other models that are kind of good entry level that, people that want performance and luxury and don't want to really spend a ton of money can get into.
That's right. So somewhat of an entry luxury vehicle into the lineup along with CT for us. But you're exactly right. It will be a younger buyer for us, which is exactly what Lexus needs more of, in addition to our baby boomer owners that we have in LSs and vehicles like that, which we need to take great care of them as well. So it's going to be a healthy balance for us.
Now the F, kind of the performance side, is started, I guess, a couple of years ago. And how has that kind of taken off, and how are sales with that high performance option?
So F is kind of our analogy to AMG and M for our German competitors. We initially kicked it off with ISF, and now we've just introduced the RCF this month. And don't be surprised if you see more and more of our high-end performance vehicles moving forward. But we're off to a great start, and again, it's another supplement or addition to our entire lineup.
So this has an F in it, the concept behind you. So tell me about the nomenclature.
LFC2 is Lexus Future Convertible Coupe.
And what else is on the horizon that you can talk about?
You'll have to show up in Detroit, and we'll share with you our next product plans for production.